Alright, welcome back to another episode, Dutch Guy's Garage. In this episode, we're going to be continuing our 1977 Dodge Aspen project.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. Life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards your grave.
What do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
So for those who have been following along, maybe you have, maybe you haven't, but basically, we had a car that was a rusty pile of junk. And we went to the junkyard and rectified some of that situation. Today we're going to be finishing rectifying that situation. So, let's catch you up to speed. So, as you can see, it's obviously trash. It's got a trash can on it, or a lid on it. And this is our 1977 Aspen. So this car had really bad cowl rot, no front frame rails to speak of, no floors, etc., etc. It should have been scrapped, but it had really nice quarters. And I've had this car for over 10 years, so it's time to fix it. So we went and grabbed Chrysler Fifth Avenue, and we are grafting Chrysler Fifth Avenue into the 77 Aspen. So we're in the final stages of that. As you can see, she's off the ground. It's got really nice brakes, as you can hear. But we have her on stilts, and she is square and level with lasers and plumb bobs and all that nonsense. So we're at the point now, I mean, if you don't believe me, that's the door, and it shuts. Beautiful door gap. So we're at the point now where we need to make the transition from a two-door into the four-door. And as you can see, this A-pillar is kind of just no longer there. So we went and grabbed a trash windshield, and we're setting her in, and everything's lining up pretty nice. It's kind of slid off to the side right now. So let's finish this transition, which is it's fun because there's a lot going on right here. There's like 4 pieces of steel all coming together right here. So I've measured twice and cut 30 times, and we've gotten to the point where we have the rest of that guy right there. So let's get that tacked in a minute, and we'll be back in just a second. Alright, we're back a short time later. Well, I'll show you what you got done. Well, as you can see, there's A-pillarage. And we got everything pretty much squared away. We set the glass in there, and we're kind of just test fitting everything. And pretty dang good. So glass fits, happy with that. And yeah, got A-pillarage. So it was kind of like the last little chink in the puzzle. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish test fitting a little couple things here and there, and looks like we'll have no problems with our trim or anything like that. So should be good. I'm liking it. So we finish welding the rest of our floor pan back here, and yeah, gotta finish stripping this mess. But yeah, it's a little short little Sunday afternoon project, you know, putting A-pillars in. But yeah, good progress. Our hockey sticks, that's what I call these guys that hold our trim, those all line up pretty and perfect. Our doors still shut nice. Yeah, I'm liking it a lot. So oh, you guys liking this content? It's fun. I think it's fun. So ignore this mess. It's horrible, but I'd like to get into putting those guys in here real soon. But I gotta finish making all the rest of this solid, so yeah, That's what we got for this weekend. We spent a whole bunch of time playing in the nice Michigan snow with the kids, so. But we've been trying to keep on track with those Monday videos, so. So guys, what you guys get this week? So next week we'll get more stuff done. So see you in the next one. This Dutch Guy's Garage. Always remember, they don't move until you do.